Hello guys, good day to each one. So today we're going to watch the uh, swimwear competition of Miss San Vicente here in Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. So they are the, representing different purok or different district here in San Vicente. So I'm just going to do the voiceover because there's a music while they are doing their swimsuit competition. So she is the number one from different district here in San Vicente. As you see, they walk very nice during their um, swimsuit or sport competition. So actually, they have all the same attire, but we are going to see how they walk with it or how they carry um, the sport attire. So here, there you go. This is the candidate number two. Very nice. They also have like a like a robe there where they wearing the robe. So it's really very nice. A style also of their um, sport attire is very nice also. So as you see here, actually a lot of people there, but I am late already when I come, so I was not able to go inside or look for a very nice place for me to watch. So I just watch at this side, and you see there's like um, a wire there in front of me, so forgive me for that one because as I said, I was late. When I arrived there, the competition already starts. So now we're going to see the candidate number three. Oh, you see, very nice. She walked very graceful. Actually, all of them, guys, as you see, they really look very elegant and very nice. They look great with their how they carry themselves. And one of the candidate there is daughter of my friend, and I can really say that she really did very well with her um, walking. You see that one? I think this is the daughter of my high school classmate. So you see, and then she's still very young because she's only like grade 11, something like that. So she's going to be grade 12 um this coming school year. So around like maybe 16 or 17 years old her age. So you see, very nice. They look very elegant with their swimwear um, attire or sport attire. So you see, they have some of them really have a training for this kind of competition. Some of them already enter modeling like that, so very nice. You see how they carry their self. Oh, very nice. And also the decoration or of the stage is also very nice. I can really say that um whoever is the assigned to for this competition, they really did a very nice job. So you see that one. Yeah, I think she's the daughter of my friend. So now another one is coming at this side. Oh, very nice. She looked very great. And then the other one, and the last, I think she's the last one, and she is the representative of our Purok here, because she's our neighbor. Actually, their house is just at the back of our at the side of our house. I mean. So she's the representative of our Purok, and she also did very well with her uh, swimwear competition walking. You see, actually, guys, they look all beautiful, and their height is very nice. They really give their best with this kind of competition. So I can say very good. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless us all.